In today's video, I'm going to teach you 2 effective ways to set up a free gift with purchase on your Shopify store, part of our Shopify how-to series. Creating enticing offers like a free gift can significantly enhance the shopping experience and potentially boost your sales by encouraging customers to increase their cart total. Let's dive into this process step by step so that you can easily replicate it for your store. First, we'll explore using Shopify's built-in discount feature. Start by navigating to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Discounts option. This is where you'll manage all your discount codes and promotions. In the Discount section, select Create Discount. Here, you'll be given several discount options to choose from, but for this guide, let's focus on Amount Off products. This particular choice allows you to control specific discounts applied to individual items in your store. Once you choose your discount type, it's time to generate a unique discount code. This code will be what customers enter at checkout to receive their gift. Be creative or informative with your code. Maybe something like Free Gift Now to make it memorable. Next, determine the discount value. This is where you input how much of a discount or what percentage you plan to offer. Decide carefully based on your margins and the attractiveness of the offer. Then, specify which products this discount will apply to. You can select all products or a specific collection that makes sense for your promotion. Make sure the choices align with your sales strategy. Next, you'll want to set the active dates for your discount. This will determine when the offer starts and ends, perfect for timing with special sales or holidays. There's a chance to explore other options or specific conditions you might want to add, such as a minimum purchase amount, to further tailor the offer to your business goals. After all these details are clear and set, simply click Save Discount to activate it. The second method involves using third-party applications from the Shopify App Store. These apps are especially useful if you're seeking more advanced features or customization options for your free gift promotion. Begin by browsing the App Store, searching for terms like free gift or gift with purchase. You'll find a variety of offerings. Each app will guide you through its setup process, often with intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces or additional settings to customize how and when gifts are added at checkout. Choosing between these 2 methods depends largely on your store's size, your tech-savvy level, and the kind of customer experience you aim to create. Both are excellent approaches and can be tailored to meet different needs and expectations. And there you have it. Both methods to set up a free gift with purchase on Shopify. Implementing any of these strategies can help incentivize purchases and improve customer satisfaction. Thanks for joining us in the Shopify How-To series. We hope this tutorial empowers you to engage your customers in a new and exciting way. Until next time, he is saying, happy selling.